नहीं करनी, ठीक है? अच्छा, hurry up. So for aid, fate, jade, ये देखें, whenever there is e at the end of a word, वो sound नहीं देता, ठीक है? यहाँ पे कहीं पे भी e की sound नहीं आएगी, okay? E always say I will not speak if I'm at the end of the word, okay? So wade, blur, ये देखें, ये blur sound होगी. Oh my god, blur is my best friend. Do you know? Blur is my best friend. This is b and l. इसको हम लोग पढ़ेंगे blur, blade, gr, grade. ये तो साउंड टीचर को आपको अभी मैंने बाद में पढ़ानी थी, इसलिए ये नहीं पढ़ते, ठीक है? लेकिन चले थोड़ा सा पढ़ लेते हैं, कोई बात नहीं. Shade, trade. Okay, we are going to start it with Kian. Kian, bete, hurry up. Beta, we are doing sounds. I know आप लोग इस words को पढ़ सकते हैं, but we are going to do the sounds, so our vocal cords will be able to speak the sounds. Okay, pronounce the sound. Hurry up, मेरा बेटा. Sounds with sounds. Kian, read. For aid, fate.
Play.
No, bete. For aid, fate. Hurry up. Focus on the sounds. For aid, fate. J, aid, jade. Hurry up, read. J, aid, jade. Loud. Ma, aid, maid.
Ma, maid.
Good. Va, aid, wait.
Va, e.
No, e तो टीचर ने कहा था, जब एंड में आएगा e कहते हैं, जब एंड में आऊंगा I will not speak. Okay, whenever e is at the end of someone, it will not speak. Okay, now blur, aid, blade. Hurry up, Kian.
Blur, blade.
Gr, aid, great.
Gr, grade.
Sh, aid, shade.
Sh, shade.
Tr, aid, trade.
Tr, trade.
Good job, well done, thank you. Do practice at home as well. Okay, so now we have here Noor Fatma turn. Noor Fatma, unmute yourself. For aid, fate. Hurry up, read fast. For aid, fate. Aid, jade. Noor Fatma, don't do lagging, beta. I don't like lagging, like aid. No. Aid, jade. Noor Fatma, ma, aid, maid. Va, aid, wait. Bla, aid, blade.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम रियान कह रहा है कि मैं वॉशरूम जाऊँ.
Yes, go. And come back fast. Okay, come back fast, मेरा बेटा. Okay. Okay, yes, Noor Fatma. Great. देखा नूर फातिमा को टीचर ने कहना है नूर फातिमा, हाँ नूर फातिमा, एवरीथिंग यू आर मेकिंग सो मच लॉन्ग. नूर फातिमा, say it fast. Shade.
My name is Kian.
Shade. Kian bete, don't unmute yourself, beta. Shade. Trade. Good girl, well done. When you will do the practice, then you will be the best. Arham turn. Arham, are you ready to read a sound?
Yes.
Okay, so for aid, fate. No, we are doing the sounds. We are actually doing the sounds. So read it with sounds. For aid, fate. And you will be, if you want to be confident, speak loud, okay? Now, jade, ma maid, wait, blade,
ध्यान कैसा है कि आई एम बैक
great. Okay. Now the next one is shade. 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 Trade. Good job. Well done. Today is the first day, so you people are making so much mistake, but it's okay. Now we have here Anya turn. Anya, are you ready? Anya. Anya, get up. Okay, Rayan, are you there? Rayan, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so read with teacher. For a fate.
For is the flag.
मुझे साउंड बिल्कुल सही आपके गले में से निकले जैसे टीचर की निकल रही है. टीचर इज सो अनॉयड. ओके, फॉर ए फेट. हरी अप मेरा बेटा. ट्राई इट. फॉर ए फेट. रेयान बेटे आप तो गुड बॉय हैं. जल्दी से पढ़ें टीचर के साथ. जेट. मेट. मेट. गुड बॉय. वेट. वेट.
WED.
नो बेटा. वेट. वेट. हरी अप रीड इट. बेटा बहुत अच्छा पड़ेगा. Now blade. 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 Great.
Great.
Shade.
Shade.
Trade. Good job. Okay, beta. If you people will take it seriously now, so then your pronunciation will be so good. Okay. So now we have here Anya. Are you there, beta? Tell me if
Yes,
somebody left. I think yes. Yeah. Okay, Anya, are you there?
Yes, teacher, I'm there.
Okay, I'm here. Okay. Now for a fate.
For it fat.
No, for aid. Koda, you have to read it separately.
For
aid.
it.
No,
For
read it separately. For aid. Fate.
For it did.
Jade.
Jade.
The sound is separate.
Jade.
Say jade. Ma aid mate. Hurry up. Ma aid. Wa aid wait. Yeah. Wa aid wait.
What is the weight?
Blah aid blade. Blah aid blade.
But
Blur, blur. B and L की friendship करा दे and that says blur. What is this? Blur.
Bla.
Blur a blade.
Bla it blade.
Good. Gr a great.
Ga great. Gra.
A great.
Gra it great.
Sh a shade.
Sha it shade.
Tr a trade.
Ta it treat.
Good job. So everyone is done. Tell me if somebody left. Good job, Tanya. If someone is left, please unmute yourself and tell me. Kyan, you are done, beta. I guess everyone is done, beta. Nobody is left. Okay, we are gonna do the next activity. Now teacher is going to ask question from you people. You people have to give me the answer, okay? So here we have. Hurry up, beta. So we have very less time, only 5 minutes left. Everybody is ready? So Anya, tell me. Anya, who is in the picture?